Hi, I'm Emma, and in this video, we're going to talk about touchpoints. Touchpoints are how marketing teams measure how much contact is needed to convert a lead or a prospect to a customer who actually uses the product. A touchpoint is any attempted contact made by marketing teams or sometimes sales teams before a lead is converted into a customer. For example, this could be a call, email, or advertisement. A touchpoint doesn't necessarily mean that contact was made with a lead, just that it was attempted, like an unopened email or an unseen ad. How many touchpoints it takes to convert a lead to a contact is a vital part of understanding customer journey. Let's say someone wants to buy a computer. Companies like Apple and HP will want to understand how much energy or how many touchpoints it takes to convert a lead, someone shopping for a computer, to a customer or someone who bought their computer. If a lead has seen 20 of my emails and ads compared to 5 of my competitors, it's likely my brand will feel more familiar and trustworthy. To convert a lead to a sale, awareness and customer experience are vital, and touchpoints are how companies measure that. Let us know in the comments if measuring touchpoints helped you convert a lead to a sale. Like if this was useful and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.
Data Science Dojo. Data science for everyone.